A 109-acre Maine sanctuary with trout streams, forest trails, and endless adventure awaits the discerning homeowner. This property is the ultimate blend of wilderness and luxury, offering complete privacy, stunning natural beauty, and every modern comfort imaginable. Private streams, bridges, and a serene duck pond. Anglers will appreciate over 3,800 feet of frontage on a trout stream, while hunters, snowmobilers, and ATV enthusiasts can explore miles of private paths. The mix of open fields and dense woods creates a balanced environment for wildlife, adventure, and relaxation. The Maine home, custom built in 2003, showcases superior craftsmanship and thoughtful details throughout. 10-foot ceilings, multiple fireplaces, radiant floor heat, and a custom elevator bring both comfort and elegance. The indoor therapeutic wave pool and hot tub offer a spa-like retreat, while the large gourmet kitchen and Butler's pantry make entertaining effortless. Every room features upgrades, from Monson Slate Countertops to custom cherry cabinetry, combining luxury with practical function. Outdoor living is equally impressive. Multiple decks, including a rooftop terrace, offer panoramic views of the property and Mount Katahdin. A potting shed with wood stove and running water provides space for hobbies or gardening, while the expansive garage and workshop accommodate vehicles, equipment, or recreational gear. Energy and resilience are built in, with whole house generator, dual wells, water filtration system, and 3 heating zones. The property is fully equipped for year-round comfort, making it ideal as a primary residence, vacation retreat, or luxury sporting estate. For those who dream of privacy, adventure, and unparalleled Maine beauty, this 109-acre sanctuary delivers it all. Here, every day offers trout fishing, forest walks, or quiet reflection. Truly a rare opportunity to live life fully immersed in nature.